Welcome to EasyConferences online registration system, a seamless platform that brings together all the necessary steps for conference registration in one convenient place. To get started, visit EasyConferences.org and create an account, which you can use for multiple conferences. When initiating the process, please check your spam folder for any notifications. Next, locate your conference and pay close attention to important deadlines to avoid missing them. Each conference may have a different registration process, but this video will guide you through the general steps. Take note of any highlighted sections, as they provide key information. Throughout the process, you can easily navigate back to previous steps to make changes. Each registration step is customizable based on your preferences. Our platform also allows you to register for additional options such as satellite events, social events, and accommodation. Some conferences offer further services like taxi bookings, car rentals, optional excursions, and poster printing. For any special requests, such as dietary preferences, halal, vegan, or other needs like accessibility accommodations or late check-ins, simply fill in the appropriate sections. Finally, the last tab will provide an order summary. Payments are accepted via Visa, MasterCard, and bank transfers. Should you encounter any issues, please contact our support team at support@easyconferences.org or call us at +357 2259 1900.